Common Core State Standards, Math, 7th grade, Expressions and Equations 1 and 2, Algebra 1B, and we're adding like terms. So we have two problems here, and it's getting harder, but you guys are getting smarter, so that's okay. So we have 2 times x plus 3 plus 3x plus 1. We have two groups, but if you notice, we have also a perfect distributive. So we're going to distribute the 2 to this one group. So it's 2 times x is 2x. 2 times 3 is plus 6. Now, we have to march these down. We're going to combine like terms. So 3x plus 1. And now we can add them. They're all positive. So 2x plus 3x is 5x. 1 plus 6 is 7. And you are done. So lining up like terms. So the other one would be number 6, and it is 5, another distributive, x minus 4, plus another group of 2x minus 7. So we have this here. We're going to use the distributive first, and we're going to go 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. And we're going to march this one over, and we get 2x minus 7. The x's are lined up, and the numbers are lined up, and so it is adding. So the same signs here, we get 7x. Same signs, we add them up, add the sign, we get negative 27x. The last problem is kind of a word problem, and it's a picture, and it's a triangle, and it has 3 different sides of the triangle, so they're different lengths rather. And one is, I'm going to change the color, 3x minus 3. That's the length of this side. And the other one is 2x plus 9 centimeters on this side. And the third side is 5x. And they're all in centimeters here. Okay, and they want to find the perimeter. So the perimeter is adding all signs. So let's look at it here. We have one side is 3x minus 3 in a parentheses, plus we have 2x plus 9, and the last one is plus 5x. Sorry about that. Okay, I'll change colors here. So I want to bring it on down here. So I have 3x minus 3, I'm going to add 2x plus 9, 2x plus 9, because I'm getting the perimeter. And I have 3 plus 2x is 5x, and then different signs, so you subtract, but it'll be a positive 6. And now bring down this one here and line up the 5x with the 5x, and I get 10x plus 6. 6 centimeters. But then what they did was they told you that x equals 5, so you're going to substitute in. So we have 10x plus 6, and it would be 10 times 5 would be 50 plus 6, so it would be 56 centimeters for the perimeter of that triangle. Thank you.